Hello everyone, today we're excited to introduce the WEHOME rotating cake stand with dome, a perfect blend of elegance and functionality for all your baking and serving needs. This 360 degrees rotatable cake stand, crafted from premium acacia wood, features a smooth rotating base that makes decorating and serving cakes a breeze, whether you're hosting a party or simply displaying your culinary creations. The stylish design, complete with a clear acrylic dome, not only showcases your cakes, cupcakes, and pastries beautifully but also ensures durability with its shatterproof, BPA-free construction. Acacia wood is renowned for its unique grain and longevity, making this stand a high-end addition to any kitchen or dining room. Plus, as a bonus, each set includes 2 acrylic cake servers, a square and a triangle, to make cutting and serving even easier. This versatile cake stand is not just for cakes, it's perfect for cheeses, fruits, and more, making it an ideal gift for baking enthusiasts or anyone celebrating a special occasion. Elevate your presentation and impress your guests with this sophisticated and practical cake stand from WEHOME. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.